to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my breakfast pizza muffins, or pizza breakfast muffins, look, whatever. Okay, let's get on with it. These things taste amazing. You're going to need all of this stuff right here. I'll go through that as we go along, alright? And we're using a brand new product. We thought we'd have a bit of fun. So I've prepared all of my ingredients, and look, as I said, I'll show you as we go through. Alright, in a fry pan I've got my a couple of rashers of bacon, and I've just given those a rough chop, and all I need to do is just cook that through. Now if you like crunchy crispy bacon, right, cook it that way. If you like your bacon like I do, a little bit blonde, do it that way. Look, render the fat down, and that is all you're really going to need to do. Alright, so just keep stirring that through in a pan, and just cook it until you like it. Alright, as I said before, and that's not going to take very long at all. And the smell of bacon in the morning or even in the afternoon just smells so good. So I'm going to render down all that fat, and once they're all cooked off, which is going to be about now, we're going to remove those from the pan. Try and leave that bacon fat in the pan, please. It's going to really enhance the next step, where I'm just going to add some eggs in that are beaten. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. Cook as many or little as you like. Now I'm making up enough for about 6 servings, right? So I'm doing a scrambled type egg, but I'm not doing a traditional scrambled egg, and I'm not doing a traditional type of omelette. So what I'm doing, I'm just letting that cook at a low heat, and I'm going to bring the edges in to the center from time to time, and you'll actually see it, you know, scramble itself as we do that. Now normally with a scrambled egg I'd have butter and I'd have cream and all of that. We want a drier type of egg for this particular dish. So as I said, just keep moving your egg around. Now here I've got some muffins. Now these are a brand new product. They're a pizza flavoured muffin, okay, and I thought I'd give these things a go. And look, as a muffin they're not anything spectacular, but for working as a pizza muffin they don't seem too bad. Fresh tomato sliced, a little bit of salt on top, because tomatoes need a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. I'm just using a bit of white pepper, that's my preference. Use black if you want. And all we're simply going to do now is start making our little pizzas up. I'm going to put a little bit of our scrambled egg on top. Now the reason why I've gone the way I have with the scrambled egg is we don't want soggy scrambled eggs on top of a pizza. Alright, keep it nice and simple. Right, so just divide the amount of egg between as many muffins that you were going to make. We're going to add in our chopped and cooked bacon straight on top. Just divide that evenly between them all. Right, really nice and easy. And we've already got the oven sort of heating up, because our next step is not going to take very long at all. A little bit of cheese on top. If you want to use mozzarella, use mozzarella. If you've got cheddar, use cheddar. Gruyere, manchego, whatever. Just put some cheese on top, whatever cheese you like. Right, put that on top, just like that. We've now turned the salamander or the grill on in our oven. They are going to go under the grill for around about 3, maybe 4 minutes, or until they come out looking something like that. How good do these things look? Okay, I'll give you my honest opinion. The pizza flavoured muffins, not worth the extra expense. It was worth a try with a brand new product. But anyway, I'd love to see you try and make this ones at home. Just use your good old English style muffin. It does work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a like. It really gives me a little bit of a pick me up, a little bit of a boost. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a comment. Right? I love responding, love reading them. Hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But if you want a nice little quick snack just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my breakfast pizza muffins, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.